Suppose that you are standing on one side of a river with a motorboat and some flood victims, and the river is on fire. A few yards away, the river is falling straight down. Now your job is to take those victims to the other side for safety and further help. What would you do? You should pause the video and give it a thought. But if you don't want to pause or don't want to think, it's okay, it's totally okay. So many people don't want to think. You can continue watching. The first thing that every sane person would think about is how can he minimize the drift by the river. Now you should keep in mind that we are talking about flood situation. So it is obvious that flow speed will be very high. Now let us assume that the flow speed is twice the speed of your boat. So it is pretty obvious that you cannot change any of them. The only thing in your control is the angle at which you want to cross the river. So the problem here is to decide at what angle you should be going. Now let us try to put this information on a right angle triangle and try to minimize the third side. Looks like we have a potential solution. So we have the base and the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. We know that cosine of angle is the ratio of base to the hypotenuse. So you should be making an angle of 60 degrees from the incoming stream and 120 degrees from the outgoing stream. Going at any other angle will either increase your resultant velocity too much or decrease the angle of resultant velocity with the outgoing stream, eventually throwing you into the deep river. So there you go. You have crossed the river successfully and safely just by having an important information and then processing that information with maths. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.